If you're stressed like Lydia, relax. Video for today, we are going to show you how to clean your fridge like a pro.
Mimi tatizi mzee. Hivi unaweza kuna fridge poa kama hivi alafu bado ikwangi safi. Inafaa nishonge hata how many days. Nimepita.
Very
nimetokesha ikwangi safi bana.
Relax.
Leo nao kwenye.
Chill, sasa nayo.
Basi sawa.
Relax. Welcome guys to this amazing channel guys. And if you're stressed like Lydia, please let me tell you better relax. Chill, because in this video for today we are going to show you how to clean your fridge like a pro. You know what? And don't get stressed. And my good name is Hawa Eve.
This is Lydia Gitashi.
And this is where teamwork
makes a dream work.
And we're about to show you how the team is going to clean this fridge and it's gonna look safi. Take off whatever is inside the fridge. Yeah. And here I have some eggs. You know you handle it here. Yeah. And also you just make sure you take off everything so that you can start cleaning your fridge. Yeah.
I'm tired of this. Look at this. What kind of a fridge is this? When you open the fridge, you get a headache. I get a headache.
Now we've already decluttered everything. Just like it. Now next step, we take off these things. We take this stuff to the place so that we can start our cleaning
properly.
Yeah. Guys, and let me tell you, first thing you're going to do before you start cleaning your fridge, you first make sure your fridge is off 30 minutes before time. Yeah, make sure umezima fridge hapo hivyo nyuma, and then now let me show you what we will be using to clean this fridge. This is a bicarbonate of soda. This is some vinegar, and this I will show you what this is later. But this one is for freshness. And then we have some lemon. Then we have your cleaning detergent, and definitely we have some gloves to secure yourself. And this, whatever you call it, a spray gun. This spray gun, I'm going to show you how you're gonna use it, and it's gonna look great. Okay, so let's do this. So now,
yes,
tumemaliza kudeclutter and everything, eh?
Yeah.
Decluttering, guys, ni kutoanisha vitu.
Kutoa upuzi. Ile iko ndani ya fridge.
To remove the nonsense inside the fridge. So,
yeah.
This is what we're going to do. We have our water.
Maji.
Okay, depends. Ukiwa na fridge kubwa hivi, ukiwa na fridge ndogo, wapi matu. Okay? So we're going to put our water in our basin.
Water.
Yeah. I don't know if you can see, but that's what we are doing. And then you're going to get your lemon. We have lemon.
Ndimu.
Yes. What we need is the lemon juice. Inasaidianga sana kutoa dust. And then it also leaves your fridge very clean. Nice. Yeah. And smelling amazing. Yeah. So you put your.
How many do you need? Depending on the size of your fridge. Yeah?
Exactly. Depending on the size of the fridge. Okay. Now we have a big fridge. So it's gonna a lot of surface area. Yes. So we are going to squeeze in our lemon. We are going to use 3.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh, should I be helping to cut this?
Yes. So we are going to put in 3 of them. It's just this, guys. Yeah. You wanna squeeze it?
Yes, you help me that one. Come on. Sometimes nanga Google Paris.
Paris?
Yeah, huko. Unaleta France.
This is fun. You can even do this with the children. But it's a holiday season, so can you do this with the kids? Now we have our baking soda.
Bicarbonate of soda.
Okay? So this was 2 tablespoons. Right. Table. Ile ya food.
Not tea.
That one.
Table.
Yes. So we're going to mix it inside like that.
Okay.
And then, guys, we have this is vinegar. Guys, this is not a shot. So this is vinegar. We're going to add it in. Yeah. This one we will use it later. I will show you where. You're going to mix now your detergent. Your cleaning.
Yeah, liquid soap. Yes.
Depends. Don't have to say it's expensive. The things that we use every day now.
They're in the market, yeah.
Yes, and guys, remember we have our gloves over here. Yeah, we said we're gonna clean this fridge like a pro.
Like pros.
Like a pro.
I'm telling you so many class. This is important.
Yeah, so you're gonna put it in your gloves, but it's your protective gear. Yeah.
Yeah.
Now after this, you remember here we've added whatever we've added everything. Yeah. So now you mix it. Just going to mix up everything. Yeah. Until you get some form. Yeah.
And
the smell, the fragrance
is very nice.
Very nice. Yeah. So now after this, we are ready to clean. The next thing we're gonna do is in
okay.
So this we're going to put in our mixture.
So do I dip it? You tell me
no,
what to
don't
do.
dip it.
Oh, use. Okay.
We are talking. You have to do your job like a pro.
Okay.
Yes. So now let's put our mixture over here. And it's even
what gun?
A
spray gun.
Yeah. I don't know.
This is so cool. This is so cool.
Looks good.
It looks very drinkable.
In
a boonie.
Lemon juice.
Or a cider.
Or a cider and a cider.
I'll shut my truck.
So guys, now after this we are done. Now we go to the next process. Where we're going to dig in this fridge.
20 kazi.
20 guys. So let's do this.
I just want to see a change in this fridge.
I'm tired. It's about to go down. So guys, I have my concoction. Right. This is my concoction, my liquid, and this is our cleaning sponge. Yeah? Yeah. So what we're going to do very easy. What I'm going to show you. See, it's just a bunch. Yeah, you see, it's just do that. You spray. One at they even see of themselves. Yeah. Easy. Because the bicarbonate in this and the lemon, they work one night. And then you use your scrubber like that. I hope you saw what you're going to do. You spray everywhere. Yeah, you see? And it's going to start coming out. So,
She didn't spray me. I'm dirty. Okay, thank you very much.
you see?
Yo.
Unakuja tu unarudia tu kidogo and you
This
see.
is stuff that I've been trying to get rid of.
I'm telling you, you just wait. Bado mapambano. Yeah, it's gonna go.
Yeah.
Imagine it's even fun. You see, even when you're having your kids,
It's like therapy.
yeah, you see guys, mkiwa your kids during this holiday. This is just something that you do with them. They will even enjoy helping you, imagine.
Something.
Love that I have my
Sina dhambi.
See, look at it. Look at it. How nice the stubborn thing to look on idea?
Now I know. When you know, you know.
You know, you know. So now you're going to take the whole fridge there. All the stubborn things. You spray everywhere, everywhere.
Yes.
You see, inatoka hivyo. It's coming out.
Komitilia Mungu atishitani jaribu kuingia na mbwa riswa. Hizo out.
Everywhere.
Yeah.
And then now, you see, we are done cooking.
Yeah.
You see,
Yes.
kaka kushia yake.
Naweza jaribu
Unacharibu.
ubaya sina gloves.
Yeah. Unfortunately.
Yeah.
You know we are doing this like a
Professional.
You see,
Allah.
coming out. Not that hard. Easy peasy.
Easy like Sunday morning.
So
Mm-hmm.
now, what we're going to do, we have our cleaning sponge. Eh?
Yes.
What we're going to do with this
Mm-hmm.
is now come back
Mm-hmm.
and start. You see, it's already good. So guys, you know this is a double door, right? So after we are done with our top, next place we go down and clean the down part. Now, come down. Let me show you. See,
This is good.
guys, now this is literally mosho moja, yeah? Super okay, super beautiful. No stress, no stubborn things. They are all gone.
And I forgot my fridge was white.
And
Now it's black.
Okay,
It's better.
uambie watu ukweli. Mnaraje hapo ndio. guys, this is our other step. You remember to revise the shells. So what you're going to do, we are just going to spray. Yeah, it's like soaking. Yeah, we are going to soak all the shells. Yeah. Now you're going to soak. No, vile tu tumesoak the fridge. You're going to soak all these shells again, zote. Yeah, very fast. And then I'm just showing you. Yeah. And then now you're going to get your sponge again. And then now here you have your basin that has water, or also you can use your running water. For those who have plenty of running water, you also have water. So we are going now to clean, and then after this, now we'll show you the last final step. Yeah? So guys, let's clean this. So now, help me wipe. After you rinse, if you have time, you can just cover them somewhere for them to dry on their own. But if you don't have the time, please use a dry piece of cloth, and it has to be clean, guys. It has to be clean. And then you do what you did. You want to be like enjoy, and the way she was crying in a few minutes. So you just dry, and you're going to do the same on each and every shell. Everything we talk of, you're going to do the same. But if you have time, no komali unajua unaweza toa nje, you can do that. But if hauna time, please have a clean field. Yeah, let's do this.
Niko very
So guys, as you can see, you remember how we started.
the before.
And now see guys, now it's clean. I love I'm telling you guys, the fragrance is ni safi, and then it's germs free, because you know tuliakele bicarbonate and vinegar in the jobia nandimu and all that. And now in the meantime guys, I hope you can see the fridge is super clean. Now you can put in your groceries, your fruits, your whatever it is that you put inside your fridge. You're free now. Siniko safi. Hakuna ile maumivu yetu mimi niko.
Wacha nifanye mrembe. Niko safi bana.
Haya, wacha waonyeshe hiyo kitu kingine. Haya, let me show you guys.
Okay.
Guys, remember we had this thing I told you that we're going to tell you what it is. Now, this is a secret that Lydia I'm sure baadaye, but also guys, you can do it. This is essence. You see the ones we use for baking. You see, you can use whatever essence you want, vanilla, blah, whatever, yeah. But now we are going to use it, and why we will be using it, it is to make your fridge smell fresh. Maybe you love the smell of a pineapple, maybe you love the smell of strawberry, maybe you love whatever smell. Yeah? Maybe you love the vanilla essence. You just use it. And then after that, after you do your cleaning and everything, so nataka your freshness. This is what you do. Simple. You just pour it inside. And then you leave it at it. Okay? But try and use the vanilla because it's clear. Yeah? And then you have the freshness over. Okay? See you guys.
Few moments later.
Look at her. We told you this is where teamwork makes the dream work.
So we want to surprise them.
Yes,
Yeah.
you're about to surprise them.
Yes, I can't wait.
We made your dream come true.
Absolutely.
And then
yes.
we're gonna surprise them. So guys, are you ready to
I'm
see
ready.
our fridge in full? Because guys, inanuka fiti ni safi. Hiyo tumemwambia so many
Iko
times.
mwah.
Yeah, so are you ready to see it? Are you ready to unveil?
Ah, let's do this.
Yes.
Ta-da.
Voila, guys. Clean, fresh, kila kitu bahari yake.
Iko
You see?
sawa.
Yes. Don't worry guys, ni festive season. Bado tunaongeza. Hii kitu by the time tumalizane nayo, it will be super full, eh?
I'm on top of mother and hali yake economically, but this is still good. I was looking for the cleanliness na mpangilio, so thank you so much, Eve. Oh, thank you. She's done a wonderful
Mwah.
job, and thank you guys for watching.
And
It's
thank you so much guys for watching and
how I get out to you. Kabisa.
Yes.
Kabisa.
You can try this at home, try it this festive season, try it with your kids, with whoever is with you.
Ingredients available. Ingredients available for
Yes.
you to brew this soup. And until the next video, it's salute. Love you. Bye. Mwah.